How to make buyers stop scrolling and start touring your home. You don't need an agent to market your home online. You can do it yourself. You just need to write like a copywriter, shoot like a photographer, edit like a videographer, post like a strategist, and respond like a full-time marketer. It's easy, right? Let's get into it. Because in 2026, your buyer probably isn't finding your home through a yard sign. They're finding it on their phone. And that's where the showing starts. Why social media matters. If you're selling in Florida, your buyer might already be here, or they might be up north sitting in traffic, scrolling through houses in the sunshine. Either way, your home's first impression doesn't happen at the open house anymore. It happens on the feed. According to NAR, over 95% of buyers start their search online. Social media isn't just part of your marketing, it's the front door. Most sellers think posting their home means snapping a few photos, writing 3-bedroom, 2-bath, great location, and hitting share. That's basic. Let's tell a story, not put them to sleep. Your caption is your chance to make something feel special. Most sellers lead with facts. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, pool. That's information. Try this instead. Morning coffee tastes better on this patio. 3-bedroom pool home in Sanford, ready for its next chapter. Short, visual, emotional. People buy with emotion first, logic second. Make them picture themselves there before they even see it in person. If you've got the Sunshine State Handbook, flip to pages 136 to 141 in the seller's guide. That section covers exactly this: how to sell the story of your home, not just list the specs. Let's talk about what actually makes people stop scrolling. Light, color, and honesty. Forget filters and wide-angle tricks. Buyers spot fake proportions instantly. Shoot your home like you mean it. Open the blinds, turn on every light, clear the counters, shoot during the day, keep lines straight. Even better, hire a professional photographer or videographer with a drone. That's a realtor's #1 trick for a reason. Professional photos and video make your home look clean, bright, and high-end. And they grab attention faster than any ad you can buy. Most full photo and video packages, with drone footage included, cost under $500. Don't be cheap and use your flip phone from 2006 or even your iPhone 17. Unless you're a professional, those shots won't cut it. Buyers can tell when something looks homemade, and that first impression can cost you thousands. Drone shots sell lifestyle. Aerials show off the neighborhood and the pool, and that Florida vibe buyers dream about. If you've got a view, show it. If you have the Sunshine State Handbook, check pages 142 to 145. That section walks through how to prep your home for photos and what details matter most when buyers are looking online. Most sellers toss their home up on Facebook, tag a few friends, and hope someone shares it. Good luck with that. You need a real social media strategy. Posting on your personal feed might get you a few likes from your aunt in Michigan, but that's not going to sell your home in Florida. You need to reach buyers, not just your friends list. Here's what actually works. Facebook is still your best tool for local exposure, but you need to go beyond your timeline. Post to community pages, local buy-sell groups, and use Facebook Marketplace for visibility. Pair your post with a clean photo and a short, engaging caption. Instagram is where visuals win. Use Reels or short carousel posts that show quick, polished clips. Kitchen, backyard, pool, and front elevation. Tag your city, your neighborhood, and any local accounts that make sense. TikTok reaches younger buyers and relocators. A quick 20-second walkthrough, a funny hook, or a behind-the-scenes prep clip can go a long way. Keep it natural, not a sales pitch. YouTube gives you space to breathe. A 2 to 3 minute walkthrough or a neighborhood highlight builds trust. Add your property address, city, and Florida home for sale in the title and description so it actually shows up in search. If you want to take it up a notch, run a paid campaign. Facebook and Instagram ads can target buyers looking in your zip code or planning a move to Florida. Done right, a $50 ad can get your home in front of thousands of people who might never see your personal post. Done wrong, it's just $50 gone. If you've got the Sunshine State Handbook, check pages 146 through 149. That's the marketing execution section. It breaks down how to move from casual posting to an actual social media plan that works. Write captions that sell. Your post should be short, conversational, and clear. Skip the listing language. Say what it feels like to live there. For example, weekends by the pool, mornings with sunlight in the kitchen. Welcome to your new chapter in Oviedo. Use emojis sparingly. 1 or 2 catch the eye. And end with a call to action. Message me for the video tour, or join us Saturday from 12 to 3. People scroll past marketing talk. They stop for human talk. You don't need to post once and hope it sticks. You need a rhythm. Here's a simple week-long rollout. Monday, teaser photo, 1 strong shot and coming soon. Tuesday, walkthrough video. Wednesday, neighborhood highlight, local park, cafe, or school. Thursday, lifestyle photo, coffee on the patio, golden hour by the pool. Friday, open house invite. Weekend, live video or story from the open house. And then repeat. New angles, new clips, new captions. This is starting to sound like a job, right? The Sunshine State Handbook talks about consistency on pages 146 to 149 under marketing execution. It's not about being everywhere. It's about being visible and consistent. Now, let's talk about what most DIY sellers miss. Every platform wants a different photo size. Instagram likes vertical. Facebook prefers horizontal. TikTok wants short clips. YouTube likes long ones. You'll need to edit photos, adjust brightness, write new captions, and post at the right time. You'll also need to respond fast because buyers scroll late. If someone comments at 10 p.m., is this still available? And you answer at 10 a.m., they've already moved on. If you decide to run ads, remember, the housing category has strict rules. No targeting by income, gender, or family status. Check those boxes wrong, and Facebook could freeze your account. If someone comments, answer like a human. Thanks for checking it out. Yes, it's still available. Want a private tour? That line alone gets you more engagement than any contact me today ever will. Ask friends to share your post, but do it naturally, no begging. Just the ones who actually know potential buyers or live nearby. Local is powerful. Florida isn't one market. It's 100 small ones. Seminole County doesn't move like Volusia. Orlando doesn't move like DeBarry or Oviedo. Tag your neighborhood, your favorite coffee shop, or the park nearby. If your HOA has a Facebook group, check if they'll allow listings. Some do, some don't. Don't get flagged by your own neighbors. If you want to step it up, post your walkthrough video on Nextdoor. It's free and hyperlocal. Create a Google business profile for your listing while it's live. Use Canva to design clean, just listed graphics. Add a QR code to your flyers linking to your virtual tour. Track engagement, reach, saves, comments, so you know what works. That's how professionals do digital marketing. Let's say your post works. Someone messages you. Now what? You need a system to respond fast. Schedule the showing, keep a log of who's coming and when, follow up, ask for feedback. If you get multiple inquiries, make sure everyone sees the property safely and within equal opportunity. Fair market rules aren't just for us agents. You need to comply with the law as well. The moment you post your house publicly, fair housing rules apply to you too. Keep it neutral, keep it professional, and focus on the home, not who you think the buyer should be. The Sunshine State Handbook has a quick checklist for managing showings and inquiries on pages 147 to 148. It's worth a read before you go live. Social media doesn't replace good pricing or presentation. It amplifies both. If your home is clean, staged, and priced right, social media gets you more eyes and faster traction. If your photos are weak or the price is off, it just spreads your mistakes faster. You can do it all, or leave it to me. You can absolutely do all of this yourself. You can plan your content, shoot your photos, write your captions, track analytics, reply to messages, and manage showings while keeping your day job running. It's doable if you've got the time and the energy to live in marketing mode. Or you can leave it to me. My team handles everything: the visuals, the targeting, the schedule, the response system, and the follow-up. We turn scrolls into showings and showings into sales. You still make every decision. We just make sure the work gets done right and the exposure is real. If you haven't yet grabbed your Sunshine State Handbook, scan the QR code on the screen or call me at 407-754-6412. It's packed with Florida-specific strategies for preparing, pricing, and marketing your home, including social media best practices straight from pages 136 through 149. The buyer for your home is already scrolling. The question is whether they'll stop on yours. I'm still Tom McNamara, and this is the Florida Real Estate Insider. You don't need an agent to sell your home, but if you want it seen, shared, shown, and sold, let's make it happen.